Welcome back to Think Big Digital. Creating YouTube thumbnails in Canva is a straightforward process. So today we are going to learn how to make YouTube thumbnails in Canva. First of all, sign into your Canva and in the search bar type YouTube thumbnail. No, you have to go to create a design and then search for YouTube thumbnail. Here are some sizes for the YouTube thumbnail. You have to choose the number 1 here. Just tap on that. You can also search it by YouTube banner. Now Canva will display a variety of pre-designed template. Choose one that fits your video's themes or start with blank canvas. Here you will be able to see different types of Canva thumbnails. I'll go for this one. And as you can see, I have it in my Canva. Now you can add text. By clicking on the text bar, you can add images from the upload section. You can add the graphics from the element section. You can adjust the colors. You have to just tap on the shapes and you will be able to edit it. You can also add logo to your YouTube thumbnail on the corner, left corner or right corner, and then after editing all of this, you just have to go to the share button and download your canvas. Here are some tips for great thumbnails. You can use a great high contrast colors. You can include faces. You can keep it very simple and you will be ready to upload your thumbnail in YouTube. That's all for today. If you like your video, please give us a big thumbs up and stay with Think Big Digital. We will see you in the next video.